Welcome back to our video series on how to learn coding. In the previous episode, we talked about why it's important to choose the right programming language for your needs. In this episode, we'll discuss step 2, starting with the basics. We'll cover the importance of foundational concepts like variables, data types, and syntax, beginner-friendly resources to help you get started, and how to set achievable learning goals and track your progress. Let's get started. Part 1. Why start with the basics? Have you ever tried building a sandcastle on a shaky foundation? It doesn't turn out well, right? The same goes for coding. You can't build a solid and reliable program if you don't have a strong foundation in the basics. Variables, data types, operators, and syntax may seem boring, but they are the essential building blocks of every program you'll ever write. In this part, we'll show you how understanding these concepts will set you up for success in your coding journey. We'll also give you examples of common programming errors that can be avoided by having a solid understanding of the basics. Without a strong foundation in the basics, you may find yourself struggling to keep up with more advanced concepts. For example, if you don't understand how variables work, you may have difficulty understanding more complex topics like functions or object-oriented programming. Furthermore, by having a solid understanding of the basics, you can avoid common programming errors. For instance, one of the most common mistakes in programming is using the wrong data type. If you don't understand data types, you might accidentally assign a string to an integer variable, causing your program to crash. By understanding data types, you can avoid this type of error. Another common error is syntax errors. These errors occur when you make mistakes in your code, such as forgetting to include a closing parenthesis or semicolon. While these errors can be frustrating, they are easily preventable if you have a solid understanding of basic syntax. In summary, starting with the basics is crucial for building a strong foundation in coding. By understanding variables, data types, operators, and syntax, you will be able to avoid common errors, better understand more complex concepts, and ultimately become a more proficient programmer. Now, you're probably wondering, where do I even begin to learn these basics? The good news is, there are plenty of resources available that are designed specifically for beginners. Part 2, Beginner-Friendly Resources. Let's take a look at some popular online resources for learning coding basics. 1. Codecademy. Codecademy is a popular platform that offers interactive coding lessons in various programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. They offer both free and paid courses and are a great option for beginners. 2. Codecademy. Codecademy offers a wide range of free courses in various subjects, including coding. They have interactive coding exercises and videos that are great for visual learners. 3. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform that offers a variety of courses in coding and other subjects. They have both free and paid courses and are a great option for those who prefer a more structured approach to learning. 4. Coursera. Coursera is an online learning platform that partners with universities and organizations to offer courses in various subjects, including coding. They offer both free and paid courses and are a great option for those who prefer a more traditional classroom setting. Now that you know about some popular online resources, how do you choose the right one for you? Here are some tips. A. Read reviews. Before committing to a course, make sure to read reviews from other learners. This will give you an idea of the quality of the course and what to expect. B. Compare different options. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare different options. Each platform offers a different style of learning, and what works for one person may not work for another. C. Find your learning style. Some people learn best through videos, while others prefer interactive exercises. Remember, there are plenty of resources available, so don't be afraid to try different platforms and find the one that works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos and tutorials on coding and programming. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.